have a jack?
You have one in the trunk?
There's one right there. That's what broke. There's
Hold
one
on.
on this side.
It broke?
It's up. Yes. The police have arrived.
Can we try to
Try to lift it up
and pull them out? If we can.
Right here.
Let's try to see if we can move it first.
And my husband's name is
See if
Devin.
you can pull them.
Pull them out.
Pull them out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Okay. Where's the ambulance at? Fire should be coming right up.
7 Baker 34. We got him out.
Okay.
We still need fire though.
Relax, Zach.
Yeah, just relax.
Just relax. Okay. We have fire code 3, right?
No
bleeding.
No,
Okay.
he's fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
My name is Kaylin.
What's his
He's
name?
laying down. He's just breathing.
Devin?
He's good. He's conscious.
Do you know of any injuries?
Hold on, Devin. Hang tight for a second.
He's conscious, alert, breathing, sitting up on his own.
Yeah.
So nothing, doesn't look too bad right now.
This is my husband's phone.
How's the first?
Never.
Oh, that was the first for me.
It's a first for me too.
You want some water? You want some cold water?
Yeah.
Jack stand, it looks like it compressed on the whole frame.
Or it slid off of the frame and went up into...
Well, I was under there trying to clip in the undercarriage, and it just
Probably
must
slipped
have
off. And
bumped
went.
it, or oh gosh.
Don't ever use one of those again, man. You need a jack or something, you know, my mom's right here, I'm right here. Here you go.
You gotta jack it up and then put the
Damn.
stand under it.
I was asleep and I heard somebody call 911. And I got up, I was like, oh shit. So I tried to get a jack or something, but the jack is screwed in that bag. So I was like, well, fuck, let me get a piece of wood or something.
Oh, is it because it's under the tire where you have to do the whole, like,
yeah.
and it's like a thread that's like 50 count long? Yeah.
Right. I've never seen nothing like that.
Oh.
Man, I'm glad you're all right, man. Glad you're all right.
Hey,
You guys are fast.
Yeah, he drove fast. He got here
I was
fast.
like, this. We need to get there quick. This doesn't sound good.
Good job, man. Good job.
Thanks.
I'm going back
Thanks.
home
I think
today.
we needed that extra help on the lift.
Need you guys too.
Because I'm like, I don't know how long it would take me to get a jack out of our car if we even have one.
Yeah, that's what we had to do, man. I mean,
Yeah.
it would have took too long. Hey, man, I'm glad you're all right.
Me too.
Oh.
Make sure you give him something tonight.
Oh.
Hi. Our patient?
No, right here. He's standing up now.
Show him your chest.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah, the car
Well-
fell, yeah, but internally, I don't know what you got going on. You have to pull the car out. Yeah, that's
No, I mean,
it's out.
stiff,
Looks like the
obviously,
it's
but
not compressed. He was literally stuck halfway under.
take my shirt off.
So we were able to move it just enough to slide it out, but oh.
I tried and I couldn't
You're welcome.
get it.
No problem.
Nothing is there for you to put it
Yeah.
in.
Good call. When we heard it was a Honda, you're like, maybe we can.
Yeah.
If it's a Honda, maybe the three
Well,
of us.
and luckily he wasn't changing a tire. If he'd been changing a tire, it'd be a different story.
Yeah, if it was gone, the tire's not there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because the weight was just on the tire.
Yeah.
So.
How long were you under there?
How long was the phone call?
No, like 5 minutes maybe.
Were you giving the script the entire time?
Yeah, I was talking on the
Yes, okay.
The call was 6 minutes long and we got out a minute before calling
Did
it.
you feel like you were having a hard on breathing in your own there?
Not too hard. I mean,
Take a couple of you out of that one.
Still just a DC9.
Yeah, I just so I could attach it. Here, I'll touch it.